Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, ma'am. Today we are going to take the topic of approximates. Approximates. So we will see the topic of approximates. The approximates are now we are going to give the definition of approximates. Approximates are consonant sounds that are produced by approximates are consonant sounds. So now we are going to see that approximates. We are going to see in the pronunciation of some words. In that pronunciation of some words are being categorized and divided into these special name that are approximates there. So the definition of the approximate now we are going to see. These approximates are consonant sounds. These approximates are consonant sounds that are produced by bringing one speech organ, that is the tongue and lips. So that is produced which is very close to each other. The tongue and the lips. You can see the edge of the tongue and the lips are going to come very close to each other. So with that the spelling of the words are being pronounced as under the names of approximates there. So this is a slightly changing or this is a slightly movement of sounds that are being produced by a speech organ such as tongue or lips there. Very close to another without actually touching the speech organs there. So this group of sounds includes these approximates includes with the letters, with the letters of L, with the letters of R, with the letters of Y, and with the letters of W. So you have to see the sounds that are produced by these approximates are lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp, L-I-D, lid, where the sound of L is seen in the initial position of the word there. Then when you are going to see this L sound in between the middle position of the word, where you can see the pronunciation of two different words are flower and silly there. Flower is there and silly is there. And when you see with this final position, you can see here by the listening of call, C-A-L-L, call, and F-E-E-L, feel. When you are going to see with the sound of R, you can see the rain, R-A-I-N, rain, R-I-B-B-O-N, ribbon. Then stream, S-T-R-E-A-M, stream. Then carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T is the carrot, where you are going to see with the word in the middle position of the word there. Then when you are going to see with the final word, you are not going to have the words with the ra sound and y sound there. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, where you can see this Y in the initial part of the letter there, and union, U, yellow, ya, E, U, yellow, and union, U-N-I-O-N. Then you can see with the second word beauty, B-A-U-T-Y, beauty, and P-U-P-I-L, pupil, P-U-P-I-L, L, people there. Then when we are going to spell with the word W, water, WATER, wow. And you can see with one more word, that is ONE, one. Then always, ALWAYS, always. And the second one is squeeze, SQUEEZE, squeeze. Then when it is going to CP, particularly with the final position of the words, you can't hear to see with these words there. Now note, you can see the regarding of the sounds and the letters that are often used to represent them in words are: the letter L is silent to certain words, like in certain words L is silent over there. TALK, that is a talk, where TL is silent. Off, HALF, that is off. And calm, CAM, calm. Should, SHOULD, should. And would, WOULD, would. There is no L sound in these words. So this sound is silent, where the L sound is silent over there. We can see the words are talk, off, calm, should, would, and there is the no sound of the L in these words there. When you are going to see with the words of letter R is followed by these unhearing of the R sound there. So in the examples of bark, card, port, interview. So where the letter R is followed by consonant sound and R of the sound, R sound is unheard, means where the R sound is not hearing in those words there. So like those words examples we are going to give. These words are bark, BARK, where R letter is silent. Curd, CURD, curd. PORT, port. Interview, INTERVIEW, interview. When the letter R comes at the end of a word, when the letter R comes at the end of a word, that sound is not produced in these words. When the letter R comes in the end of the word, where you can see that R sound is not produced in the British, that is better. Car, not with the sound R is coming, or where the sound is not produced to the last end of the word there. So in that case of the examples, you are going to see better, where R sound is not going to be in a prolonged coming of the condition. And car, you can see CAR, car. And if you are fur, then you can take with one more example, that is singer. Then British of the English sound of the words of the phoneme, R is heard only when the letter R is followed by the vowel sound, that is break, BREAK, break. Then drive, DRIVE, drive. Then 100, HUNDRED, 100. And RAT, rat. So when the sound of the phoneme, which is followed by the vowel sound, R sound is heard there. When this R sound is heard there, you can see with the vowel sounds of these words that taking up the examples: BREAK break, DRIVE drive, HUN DRED 100, RAT rat. So you can see the words which are being given there. When the letter W is followed, when the letter W is followed by the letter R, the W sound is unheard. So that is right, R-I-T-A, right, where the W sound is not hearing in these words. W-R-I-T-A, right, W-R-O-N-G, wrong, W-R-E-N, ren, and wriggle, R-I-G-G, W-R-I-G-G-L-E. These letters of the W is followed by the letter R, and the sound is unheard of that W sound. Right, that is W-R-I-T-E, right, wrong, W-R-O-N-G, wrong, ren, R-E-W-R-E-N, ren, and wriggle, W-R-I-G-G-L-E is the wriggle. Write down the approximate sound where you are going to see with the consonant sound represented by the underlined letters in the given words. So now with the letter words they have been given, we should have to identify the words of sound which has been given in the words there. First word we shall say twig, where you are going to see with the I sound, twig. Badly, ly is the la sound there. And greeting, 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 that is with the R sound. And student, student, where you can see that it is with the yellow and union, that is student. Then new, 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 with the vowel sounds of E there. Crazy, R sound. Healthy, L. Rupees, R. Young, Y, young. Then wine with the W sound. So you are going to see like these sounds where the sounds of the words that are being given. Queen means W. Card no, future, apple, off, heart, wrist, balm, whom, yak, never, wallet, traffic, colonel or colonel, two, cow, palm, answer, chalk, and sword. So these are the words where you are going to see some words are being taken in the words which has been put a crossword of the approximate consonant sounds there. Then when you are going to come to the grammar part, now you are going to see with the adverb there. Adverbs are the words used to modify verbs. So adverbs are the words used to modify verbs, adjectives, and another verbs. They add meaning to the word they modify. So they add to the meaning. So they add to the meaning. Those are being stated as these adverbs there. Then you can give the examples of these adverbs are the words used to modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. They add meaning to the word which they modify. So now we are going to see some adverbs in these sentences. The old man walks slowly. Walks slowly. So this slowly, the adverb slowly modifies, means it modifies the verb, how he walks. Faster, slower, or little bit as a stopper. So something which modify the verb can be taken as adverb. That can be taken into this. The old man walks slowly. Adverb slowly modifies the verb walks. How he walks. Then come to the one more word. The place is very peaceful. This place is very peaceful. So this adverb modifies the adjective peaceful. So that is, you can see here, very peaceful. This place is very peaceful. Adverb very modifies the adjective with peaceful. The news came quite suddenly. You can see here, the news came quite suddenly. Adverb quite modifies the adverb suddenly. All of us suddenly you got. The news came quite suddenly there. So you can see here the modification of these things, where you can have these things. The news came quite suddenly, and where the adverb quite modifies the adverb suddenly there. There are again different types of adverbs. There are different types of adverbs. First one is the manner, how something happens. So manner means how something happens. She came in quickly. She came in. She came in quickly. Frequency, how often something happens. So frequency means how it happens, something that makes or that goes to these happening of the frequency there, and he goes to the market daily. How often something happens, that is taken, he goes to the market daily. So that is also thing which is added. Then time, when something happens, students have a farewell party today. Students have a farewell party today. So that when something happens, students have a farewell party today. So that is the time, and when it is being added to that happens is being taken in this. So the example given is students have a farewell party today. So that is the time when something happens, it gives the thing there. Then place, where something happens. Here when something happens is the time, and the place is where something happens. He wants us to wait outside. He wants to wait outside his room. Then you can see with the last word, the intensity of degree of something. That is, the new shop is too far. So you are going to see with the degree, the intensity of degree of something. So that is, the new shop is too far. How many minutes are there still? 15.
19 minutes happen 20.
Then we shall have to see the adverbs which are being added to these words there. So like that, fill in the blanks are being given with the suitable adverbs, and using the adjectives you are going to see the modification of the changing of the space provided there. So that is taken now with the first example. Come dash before it finishes. So in the word that is quick is being given. So the quick, you can say quickly. So that adverb of manner there, what happens, how something happens. Come adverb of the that one gives quick. Come quickly before it finishes. So that is the thing what had happened there. And for the word quick, you are going to see actually quickly. Although he is a good student, he did not do dash in the exam. You are going to see the use of the adverb of good, and he did not do well in the exam. So you should have to change first form to the second form there, and though good, well, better. So you can see that the adverb of manner also, this one also you can say, although he is a good student, he did not do well in the exam. Third, third example, Telugu is my mother tongue. So Telugu is my mother tongue. I speak it fluently. So the adverb of manner itself we are going to see fluent. What is the verb of fluent? Fluently. Then Telugu is my mother tongue. I speak it fluently. He did not complete the course. He did not complete the course as easily as he thought he would. So he did not complete the course as early as he thought he would do it. So for that one, he would complete. Then second one, then fifth example, I reached on time because I left home early. Because I reached on time because I left home early. So early is there, and that you are going to see what is the speculation of these uh, adverb of time there. Then correct the error in the use of adverbs in the following sentences. If there is any error in the sentence, put a tick mark which has been given provided in the box. My sister always, my sister always worked hardly. So now you should have to change the word into the adverb that has been given in the form of adjective there. My sister always work. My sister always worked hard. So you are going to see with the work hard. He is driving too fastly. He is driving too fast. Then third one, he is dressed casually. He is dressed. He is dressed or he dressed casually. He is dressed casually. That is being given there. The plane flew highly in the sky. The plane flew highly in the sky means the plane flew high in the sky. The pan is really hot. The pan is really hot. Same, we can't even change with anything. That is, the pan is really hot. Then you can also see he is dressed casually. Correct only. He is driving too fast. Then the plane flew very high in the sky. The pan is really hot. So you can have the modifications of these sentences which are being given with the changing of the adjectives to these adverbs there. Then now we are going to see with the correct adverb which has been given here. Mrs. Reddy had begun the class today. So you are going to take Mrs. Reddy had begun the class today. I had been late daily. I had been late daily and was punished severely and was punished severely. So you can see that he had begun. Mr. Reddy had begun the class today. I had been late daily and was punished severely for it. I decided to sneak into the class. So I decided to sneak into class. I tiptoed in quietly from the back door. I tiptoed in quietly from the back door and slid into my seat quickly and slid into my seat quickly before she noticed. So you should have to see that before she noticed. From the back and door, he slid into my seat quickly before she noticed. I go to the park dash evening. I go to the park dash evening, that is daily. I go to the park daily evening. I I ran I early ran into my neighbor Tara. So I here we can see or we can take I quickly run into my neighbor Tara. Her petty dog was her petty dog wags its tail happily when it sees me. So here I quickly run. I quickly ran into my neighbor. So I quickly ran into my neighbor Tara. So you can see here her pet dog wags its tail happily when it sees me. So you can see here the changing of the words that are being taken from these adverbs that are being chosen given in the fill in the blanks there. So when you come to the examples of these, you can use the following examples with the following exercises. See,
28.
so we shall see here with the having of the adverbs there that is being done there. So we can also see not only with these adverbs and adjectives, we can also able to see vocabulary words of these palindromes there. Palindromes is a word or a number of sequence of symbols. When you are going to read from backward and forward, the same words and letters are being added to the symbols to the words there. Like those, the examples given for the palindromes are. So now we shall have the definition of these palindromes. Palindromes is a word, it is a phrase, it is a number, or it is the other sequence of symbols that reads the same backward as forward. Then for those palindromes, examples are bib, B-I-B, bib, peep, P-E-E-P, peep, T-O-T, tot, and madam, M-A-D-A-M, madam, refer, R-E-F-E-R, refer, L-E-V-E-L, level, R-A-D-A-R, rather, eve, E-V-E, eve, none, N-U-N, none, and civic, C-I-V-I-C, civic, and noon, N-O-O-N, noon, and W-O-W is the wow. So these are the vocabulary words where you are going to see with the knowing of the definition of palindromes. And this palindrome is a word or a phrase and the number of other sequence of the symbols that read with the same backward as forward there. And these are the few examples of the palindromes where you can see with the first word beep, peep, taught, madam, refer, level, radar, eve, none, civic, noon, and wow. So these are the examples of the symbols of the words where that you can see the reading of the letters in the words which are to be expressed from the forward and the backward will be the same. So we shall have the continuation of one more session in one more class.